All right, in this class, we are going to be using the programming language Python, and you're going to need to get this installed on your home computer. So I just want to give you a quick walkthrough in this video of how to get it installed on a Windows computer. And just as I do this, be careful. Don't just go through the default installation where you just next, accept, agree. There are a couple options I want to make sure we check, which will help if we want to start installing other modules to Python or using other software code than what comes with the download we're going to get today. So I am on the download. I'm on python.org downloads. And when you go to this page, it should detect what operating system you're on. And I'm on Windows right now. And I'm going to get the latest version of Python, which is version 3.9.1. And so, okay, so we got that. And I'm going to go to my downloads folder. And here it is. It's an exe file, so I will run this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to check off, okay, first thing I want to check off is add Python to path. If we don't do this, we won't be able to do any command line things with Python later, and we probably will want to do that. And I'm going to go to customized installation, and I'm just going to confirm that the box next to pip has been checked. Okay, so we can install other packages later. This install for all users, this really just depends on your setup at home. If you're the only one on your computer that's going to be using Python, you don't need to check that. I'm on a classroom computer right now, so I am going to check that box so every user that gets on the computer can do it. And don't know why it's not checked there, but I am going to check install for all users there as well and click install. And this will take a minute, so I'll just come back when it's done. Okay, so we're all done here, and I am going to close this out and just confirm that I have it working. So I'm going to hit the Windows key, and I'm going to start typing idle. And this is going to be the program we're going to use to edit and run our Python programs, at least when we start. And so we'll start this up. And looks like everything's working. Got Python 3.9.1. And I'm even going to go ahead and make a quick little test program just so I can see that it does in fact run and show you how to create and run a program. So I'm going to go to File and New File. And we'll make a very simple program. I'm going to type print and then in quotes, word hello, and then end the parentheses. And so I'll save it, and I'm just going to save it on the desktop, and I'm going to call it hello.py, and save it. And there it is. And in order to run it, we can go to the run menu, and we're going to pick a run module, and there's also a keyboard shortcut for that where you can just hit F5. So I'm going to hit run module, and there's the output of our program. So we have done it successfully.